there, and welcome back to Ski Play Live TV. I'm Sage Adler, and I'm here at Disney Hollywood Studios to get my own lightsaber here at Savi's workshop.
Place it over your heart, and then your credential will get collected once you're in the workshop, okay? Cool. There, and then just keep that cargo slip for your records as well.
Put over your heart and then hand in your credential. Okay.
Got the link.
Perfect. And if you'd like as well, in the scrap metal box up there, each of the drawers has one of the styles in it as well that you can look at.
All right, cool.
Thank you.
So it's a color, right? Color in different styles. These are cool. Yeah, the QR scan is not working. Oh. Looks like these don't open.
Brad is going to meet you over there and get you all set up.
Welcome, my friends. Bright suns, come on in. How are you?
Come in, sir. Can you record camera?
We'll have the station for you right over there.
Come in, sir. Can you record camera?
Hello there. Welcome, Bright Suns.
All right, right over this way. All right, right there.
I got the protection and defense lightsaber hilt, and basically I'm just building my own lightsaber.
To Savi's workshop. Oh, we're just so glad you all found us. These are the gatherers that will be assisting you, and you may call me Kembe. So please take a quick look around. I know what you're thinking, that all this looks like just a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Some of this is new junk. For we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. For in these times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Oh, I trust you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker? Yes? Good. We hear there is another. A new Jedi. Do you know her name? Yes, Rey. Rey. A scrapper like us. And what Rey is now leading, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for all this time. And that, my friends, is why you are here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is as elegant as it is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. So I think enough talk. Let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber, and the color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these in some of the greatest Jedi legends in our history. The blue crystal, favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a rare, the very heart of your lightsaber. Excellent. Builders carefully place those crystals into the green crystal holders in front of you. Perfect. For it is now time to begin the construction of our hills. And from there, you will choose the precise components that will comprise your unique lightsaber.
You can pick either the set on the top, or you can choose the set on the bottom. Look for the red and blue squares on the side of the chassis. The red and blue squares on either side of the activation plates. So match it up so the red goes right on top of red.
And then you're going to need to do the other half from the same set. Unfortunately, these cannot be mixed and matched. So this would need this one if you're going to do that piece.
Oh, so if I have...
Yeah, it's
Now,
that
choose our
bronze
grips.
edge is
Our
going to go
grips
to
are
the
number
center.
1
And then you press and
We have a
twist
choice
to try to
of
get
4
it
different grips. We can choose and choose. You want to choose one for the top and one for the bottom.
So put that on the
Activate, deactivate.
You're anticipating once you get past the grips, it's pretty much just lifting out. All right, perfect. If you're happy with your grips, you're ready for the emitter and the pommel cap. Choose one of these two for the top, one of these two for the bottom, and they just twist right into place.
Yes. Time for the bond between builder and saber to be forged. So in just a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards. Place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber, and then on my mark, we'll activate them together. Builders, are you ready?
Yeah.
And take a step forwards. Place a hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and activate. Good. Excellent. And raise your lightsabers. Yes. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith before you, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Deactivate and lower the sabers.
Your lightsaber. Like you when it can, but leave you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Protect your sabers. We're pleased to offer you all the saber sheath. In a moment I'll dismiss you one group at a time. For our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. For you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, next time we can be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate! Would you be the first to please head back to the Elmos and congratulations, my friend.
I just finished building my lightsaber at Savi's workshop. We are allowed to bring in one extra guest to watch us build our lightsaber, but I did all the building myself. It was magical. It was wonderful. It made me feel like I was part of the Star Wars universe, like I was ready to go leave my mark on the galaxy somewhere. I ended up going with the protection and defense hilt with these handles and switch, and I had a violet blade. And then the lightsaber also comes with a protective case. It's just a bag. It has this cool symbol on it, and a shoulder strap. It's very well padded so that you don't hurt your lightsaber. It also has a very nice weight around it, so you can take out any bad bad guys, but it feels very nice in your hand and it's very well built. If you have the money, it is well worth the build and just the experience of being able to make the lightsaber. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.